Welcome to Web-TechServices Help. In this short guide, we'll walk through Promote a Sister site with its marketing kit. Every product in our family of sites comes with its own ready-made marketing kit, and this is one of them. Think of it as a done-for-you promotion pack. Everything you need to refer this product is right here on one page, so you never have to write a thing from scratch. At the top is your personal tracking link for this specific site. This is the heart of how you get paid. Every click is logged, and anyone who signs up through it is permanently credited to you. Copy it once, and you can paste it absolutely anywhere. Right below it is your branded landing page link. For warm introductions and cold outreach, send people here instead of the raw link. It's designed to convert, which means more of your clicks turn into real, paying signups. See this QR code? It's tied to your link too. Download it and drop it on a flyer, a business card, or a table tent. Now anyone you meet in person can scan it with their phone and become your referral on the spot. No typing required. Scroll down and you'll find email swipe files. Complete persuasive emails with the subject line written for you. Your name and link are already filled in. Just click copy, paste it into an email, and you're promoting like a pro in seconds. Prefer texting? These ready-made SMS messages are perfect for a quick, friendly nudge to someone in your contacts. Short, warm, and proven. Copy one, send it to a friend who'd benefit, and you've just planted a referral. Here are social posts written for LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Posting consistently is how you reach people you'd never email one by one. Grab a post, share it with your link, and let your whole network see what you're recommending. And here's the best part. Every sister site has its own kit exactly like this one. So pick the product that fits a person in your network, open its kit, and copy the piece that suits the moment. Do that today with just one site. It's the fastest, easiest way to start earning. That's it. Up next, tracking your referred leads. Let's keep going.